everybody, and today my friend here, Akee, has figured out something very awesome and exotic in Scratch. Say hello, Akee.
Hello.
So what was that very awesome thing you have discovered? Shall I demonstrate?
Yes.
Alright.
So you see that it can erase stuff.
And then it generates back. Right there. But it stops after a while because he put a timer. Alright, so let's start. So first we're going to make a new file. Yes. And then, so first we're going to go control and we're going to drag out. When I start as a clone. Then we're going to drag out repeat, or we could use forever. We're going to use forever. And then we'll need all of these, like this one. I think there's more than 5 of them. So we're gonna use these, right? Alright, so we're gonna use the effect pixelate. Then we're gonna use whirl. Then we're gonna use fish eye. Then we're gonna use color. And then last we're gonna use brightness. So that makes a little trail behind the cat. Now we're gonna go to when green flag clicked, forever, point towards mouse pointer, and then this very smart piece of code right here, distance to mouse pointer, where is it? Right here, and operators, and multiplied by 5. Oops. Multiplied by 5. So we're gonna put down 5 and then we're gonna put this back in there. Now see, it can go move, but it doesn't have the pixelate thing behind it. So we're gonna go back to control and drag out create clone of myself, and that makes like a little trail of the Scratch cat behind, as you can see. Boom, zoom, zoom. Now for the erase effect, all we literally need is a sprite. So I'm gonna choose this dog right here. This dog. So we're gonna make it nice and big. 250 is good. And then we're gonna draw a little angry face on him. And make him have red eyes. Because I don't like dolls. Alright, there. Now we're gonna go all we need is one piece, and it's go to back layer. Right here. Now we're gonna start this up. Let's see. Zoom, 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 and it also regenerates. Zoom, 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 zoom. So thank you, Akee, and let's have a round of applause for Akee. Thank you, Akee, and thank you for watching, and bye. And also, please follow him on Scratch. His name is Akee MM. Right here. He joined 1 year ago. And please, because he only has 2 followers. Thank you.